Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Today we're diving into the best laptops of 2024. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves cutting-edge technology, we got the perfect laptops for you. Let's get started with our first pick. First up, we have the Acer Aspire 5 A515, a powerhouse of productivity. This laptop features an 11th generation Intel Core i3-1105G4 dual-core processor that delivers unmatched speed and intelligence, making it perfect for creating, productivity, and even some gaming. With Turbo Boost technology, you can reach up to 4.1 GHz for high-demand applications, the 15.6. Full HD IPS display offers sharp details and crisp colors, boasting an 82.58% screen-to-body ratio and narrow bezels for an immersive viewing experience. The ergonomically designed hinge lifts the keyboard for comfortable typing, improved cooling, and better sound. With 4 GB of DDR4 onboard memory and a 128 GB NVMe solid-state drive, the Acer Aspire 5 provides ample storage and memory for your files and media. Acer's Purified voice technology enhances digital signal processing to cancel out background noise, improve speech accuracy, and enhance far-field pickup, making calls clearer and interactions with Alexa easier. Using Alexa on your PC is as simple as asking a question. Just ask, and Alexa can check your calendar, create lists, play music, answer questions, read the news, and more. The Acer Aspire 5 runs on Windows 11 Home in S mode, which comes with advanced security features built in, protecting against phishing and malicious software. Compared to other laptops in its class, the Acer Aspire 5 stands out with its powerful performance, stunning display, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile laptop in 2024. Next up, we have the ASUS Chromebook Flip CM5, a versatile and powerful Chromebook that's perfect for both work and play. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 3250C processor, this laptop offers impressive performance with a base speed of 2.6 GHz and the ability to boost up to 3.5 GHz. The 15.6-inch touchscreen Full HD Nano Edge display delivers crisp and vibrant visuals, complemented by AMD Radeon graphics for an enhanced viewing experience. The Chromebook Flip CM5 features 64 GB of eMMC storage and 4 GB of RAM, providing ample space and speed for your daily tasks. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring fast and reliable internet connections. The durable 360-degree hinge allows you to flip the touchscreen display into tent, stand, and tablet modes, offering flexibility for different uses. The laptop is equipped with multiple ports, including 2 USB Type-C ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 USB 3.2 Type-A port, and a micro SD card reader. The backlit keyboard adds convenience for low-light environments. Compared to other 2-in-1 laptops, the Lenovo Flex 5 shines with its powerful performance, ample storage, and versatile design, making it a killer choice for work and play. It's all about flexibility and performance. This laptop rocks a WUXGA IPS touchscreen display that delivers crisp, vibrant visuals and a super responsive touch experience. Under the hood, it's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, running from 2.1 GHz up to a blazing 4.00 GHz max boost clock, making multitasking smooth as butter. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, you can juggle multiple apps and browser tabs without breaking a sweat. And its 1TB PCIe SSD offers ample storage for all your files, media, and software, ensuring lightning-fast load times. This sleek and stylish 2-in-1 laptop is not just about looks. It weighs only 3.42 pounds and is just 0.70 inches thick, making it a breeze to carry around. Plus, it's got a fingerprint reader for secure login, a backlit keyboard for those late-night sessions, and a durable paint finish for a premium feel. Running on Windows 11 Home, it offers a sleek and user-friendly interface. Next, we've got the beastly Dell Alienware M18R2, the ultimate gaming rig that'll crown you the king of the gaming arena. This 18-inch monster packs a 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 12GB GDDR6 graphics, delivering insane power and performance. Push it to the max with up to 270W total power performance, perfect for overclocking without any throttling. The exclusive thermal interface on the CPU and GPU keeps things cool, letting you game for hours. The 18-inch 1610 display with Comfort View Plus and 100% DCI-P3 will blow your mind, offering stunning visuals at 165Hz QHD+. With NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics, Dolby Vision, and dynamic display switching, your games will look insanely good. The recessed keyboard with a full numpad and large touchpad boosts your comfort and precision, and the optional cherry mechanical keyboard with stainless steel switches and a 15 million keystroke lifecycle takes it to the next level. And for storage, we had no problem. With 4 M.2 SSD slots supporting up to 9 TB of total storage and dual-channel DDR5 memory, you've got fast boot times and efficient multitasking. Lastly, we've got the 2023 Apple MacBook Pro, a beast powered by the M3 Max chip with a 16-core CPU and a 40-core GPU, ready to blaze through multitasking and pro projects like editing thousands of photos or 4K video. The MacBook Pro isn't just about raw power. It's built for Apple Intelligence, which helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly while setting new privacy standards in AI. You can enjoy up to 22 hours of battery life thanks to the power-efficient design of Apple Silicon, delivering the same performance whether plugged in or running on battery. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display offers stunning HDR content with 1,000 nits of sustained brightness and pro reference modes, perfect for doing your best work on the go. This MacBook Pro is fully compatible with all your Pro apps, running them lightning fast, including Adobe Creative Cloud, Apple Xcode, and Microsoft 365. The advanced camera and audio system ensure you look sharp and sound great with a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, a studio-quality 3-mic array, and a 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio. Connectivity is a breeze with a MagSafe charging port, 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, an SDXC card slot, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. Compared to other laptops, the 2023 MacBook Pro stands out with its unmatched performance, stunning display, and seamless compatibility, making it the ultimate choice for professionals and power users. And there you have it, the best laptops of 2024. From the versatile Acer Aspire 5 to the powerhouse Lenovo Flex 5 and the ultimate Apple MacBook Pro, we've covered it all. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Let us know in the comments which laptop you're most excited to try or if you have any questions. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.